Ever wondered how a plain, flat piece of paper can suddenly become a high-speed jet? For today's activity that we will discuss in this video, we're putting down the controllers and turning your living room into a flight hangar. Folding a paper airplane is a great screen-free activity. It's the simplest form of engineering, using the exact same physics and magic that keep giant jumbo jets in the sky to make your own creation zoom across the room. In this video, we will walk you through the process and explain everything in clear steps. You can watch this video with your kids or also alone to teach your kids later, or just put it on for your kids to follow along. The activity can be done with things you already have lying around. You're going to need a A4 sized paper and optionally some pencils or markers that can be used to decorate the paper airplane when you're done folding it. Alright, let's get started. First, we fold the paper in half. When you're done with this, you can open the paper again. The next step is taking the upper corners and folding them to the line in the middle. Do this for both sides. Now your paper should look like this. The next step is to turn the paper around. Fold the crease in the middle opposite to the way you first folded it. This is what you should be left with. Pay close attention to the next part because this is the hardest part. Follow me along. Take one end of the paper and place it on the other end of the paper. Exactly like the way I do it now. This is what you should be left with. Now take the end of the paper and fold it to the other end, a bit of the same as we did in the last step. If you followed all steps correctly, yours should look like this as well. Now flip it over to the other side. On this side we're going to repeat the steps. So take the edge of the paper again and place it on the other edge. Now, in the same way as we did earlier, take the edge again and place it on the other edge. If you followed all steps correctly, you now have your own paper airplane. While making the paper airplane was already part of the activity, it's now recommended to turn off whatever device you're watching this on and get outside. Have fun! Feel free to further decorate your creation with the pencils and markers. We hope you have enjoyed this activity. See you at the next video. Goodbye.